Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Another misfire issue, but we have them coils, spark plugs, and hopefully it will fix that. Hopefully it'll fix it. Will it? Who knows? Yeah. Fingers crossed it does. It's absolute fucking horrible weather. I'm glad we're indoors. The camera maybe don't pick it up. Oh yeah, see, I just see it on top of the roof there. Yeah. So we'll pop on it. We'll take it all to pieces again because we like to do that, and then we'll fire up and we'll see if it fixes it. If it doesn't do, if that doesn't do it, then I'm thinking it's maybe an injector, maybe some crappy fuel in injectors. If that's the case, we'll get some injector cleaner and we'll run it through it. But we're only putting like a gallon of petrol in it at a time at minute because it's got no MOT, so we can't get it to the fuel station really to fill it up. So I'm not sure how much injector cleaner I'd have to put in it, but we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. It's had a new MAF sensor on it, a new fuel pressure sensor on it, which you'll have seen in the last video, but that didn't solve it. So hopefully they will. Fingers crossed. So I think we've got all the tools that we need here. I'll probably have to go get something else at some point. To be fair, I should really undo that first, but yeah. Right, so do these, and I'm gonna have to do. So we've just got an 8mm because yes, and spam. Right. If I wanted to, I should maybe do 1v1, but I'm a bit over this car now, so we're not doing it 1v1. We're just gonna rattle them off. To be fair, rattle them off. New one in, wash. One at once. Hopefully they'll work. Hopefully the new ones will work. I'll just go grab socket. One new used second-hand coil. Brand new spark plug in there. We'll whip this one out and we'll see what it's like. Now, are my coils in better nick than them? They've been sold to me as good working order. Bosch Platinum, ones off the counter. Bosch Platinum R6s. So it's like for like. And then there, focus. None of them are in good order, really, are they? Sorry about that. No. So I don't know. Yeah, I'll see that in a minute. So we've changed the spark plugs. Got a key. We've put all that back together. Well, semi. Note's gonna fall and hurt and damage all. We'll just fire her up and we'll see if that's solved any issue. We'll leave you out here a minute. She popped then, didn't she? We'll leave her running a minute. I do love how it sounds and it smells. The smell of it is decatted. Well, no, it's not. It's got a sports cat in it, but it's just, oh yeah. I think she's still missing slightly. I think she's still It's nowhere near as bad as it was. There's no like engine light on. Yeah, we'll swap them coils and we'll be back in a minute and see what she's doing. We've got time still. Yeah, so it's not a big job, is it? We've done it a minute ago. Yeah. Right, so just take this off.
I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. And you cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
You are not as tough
I'm back, you know that I never left. I got tracks and some music that you
Sensors in there, so the sensor should be picking up. what it needs to. See, that weren't a big job really, were it? The proof is in the pudding, as they say. You'll never fully know, unless if it's got a slight misfire, you won't know unless you drive it. It doesn't sound bad at all, really. I do love the noise these fucking things make. Fucking who'd want an electric car with these when you can have sound of these? Eh? Who'd want an electric car? Not me. Not me at all. Now my tripod's still broken, so we'll see what we can get. She's running and she don't sound like a Subaru, yeah boy. So I think I'm happy with that. We've revved her a few times. She's not popping and farting like the Subaru sound like she was in the last week's video. If you watch that, if you haven't seen it, yeah, it's on there somewhere. So we'll put her back together again, and then we'll probably, once we've put her back together, probably call that a do on this video. We do have a new wing for her, which is in the house. The wife is on at me to move it because it's taking up room in the kitchen, but is what I say to that. She don't watch it, so she'll not see that. So that's probably going to be my next video, and we'll take bumper off as well because I have the paint for that, so I can paint that. Yeah, and then get her washed. I'm gonna have to refurb the wheels as well at some point, but we'll see funds like that before, you know, because this has to be ready for my sister's wedding, because we're meant to be taking her in it to the wedding. So yeah, so priority is get her running, sweet, get her through an MOT. Let's drive her this year. Last year I didn't drive her and I've missed her so much, and it's paining me having to do all this work because neglected her. But then the long-term project, because this is what it is to get it mint. And I mean mint. So maybe next year. I hope we've got visitors. So yeah, so the long-term project is I want a mint. I've wanted one for years. I have no intentions of getting rid of it at all. So yeah, so like next year when she's in, put away for winter, run about, maybe engine out, box out, tidy all, engine bay up. Yeah, if I do a good job of spraying that front bumper, then we'll respray all engine bay. But that's a long time off yet. And yeah, I'll see you in a moment. I just want to do something. Right, so that's it all back together. So all back together. We'll move all the tools off there, and then we'll fire her up again, and we'll see what she's like. So I'll see you in a minute. Right, so she's back together. I'm going to put you down here, and we're going to start her up again. It's not a cold start because she'll be fairly warm, but engine that because we've had her running a bit, but yeah, we'll see what she sounds like now. She's meant to be running. We've put her back together, we've started her up, she sounds sweet, she's not missing. Yes! Fucking hell, I'm so happy about that. So, I'm going to call it a day there. Got loads to be doing on this car, but I'm just wanted to get that sorted because it's been bothering me for ages as that. So yeah. She might start dying in a minute because she's got no fuel in her. But next time I get some fuel, I'm gonna get some inject cleaner as well. Just put that in, just cause why not? Because I can. And on that note, thanks for watching the video. If you've liked it, give it a thumbs up, comment if you want, subscribe, it costs nothing. I've got 13, maybe 14 subscribers now, so everyone who's subscribed, thank you very much. It's just little old me pissing about with two cars that are fucked. Who knows? No, well, yeah, I'm not a mechanic, I just wing it. And why not? Why not? It's the only way to learn. So yeah, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and comment if you want, and I'll comment back. Have a conversation. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Promise you you'll catch me.